What's up?
He's fine. I think I'm coming from.
Don't do that.
Thank you, Jay.
I'm drowning in
Tell
my.
me.
This is my Grill Master barbecue outfit. I was given this as a Christmas present from my beautiful wife, and it comes equipped with all the necessities: salt, pepper, utensils, glove, the works.
Let's see you in
Happy 4th of
action.
July.
Let's see it in action. Yep.
4th of July barbecue. The first round, all ribs.
That's all ribs.
I have a second round coming. The second round will consist of hot dogs and salmon steak. And then the third round, I'm going to have chicken wings.
So three rounds.
Three
Wow.
rounds of grilling
3 rounds.
today. So we have a lot of work to do.
Excellent. Excellent grilling. Thank you, Randy.
Thank you for coming.
Lauren, am I allowed to play games on?
Grill, or are you going to warm on the mic? I think I should warm on the grill.
The what?
The wings. You wanna warm?
I don't want to.
That's too much.
It's gonna.
Rosé.
I feel like it's gonna be an unfair competition because yours have to be cooked and then
Oh,
rewarmed. Mine are
finally.
coming fresh off the grill. Oh, yeah, I'm competing with your wings, which were
One's right here. We're going to be
We
grilling.
were potting and repotting this morning.
More coming.
What more do we have coming?
Got some corn.
We love corn. Those are
Got
ribs.
some.
That's a salmon steak.
Got some dogs coming. Got me. Happy birthday to you.
Hold it in the middle.
Yeah, blow out the sparkler. See you blow out.
You really need to tell me these stuff. Here, let's hold the
so good.
sparkler. Hold it.
Because you went.
Hurry up, come on. Show Ross the cake.
Turning for the fourth stuck in a row. Found a spider who's direct you where to go. So make the best of this test and don't ask why. It's not a question but a lesson learned in time. It's something unpredictable, but in the end it's right. I hope you had the time of your life. So take the photographs and still frames in your mind. Hang them on a shelf in good health and good time. Best friends and memories and times that made us smile. For what it's worth, it was worth all the while. It's something unpredictable, but in the end it's right. I hope you had the time of your life.
Stay in front of the screen.